Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is Zeeshan Hurmaz and back with another hard crypto project. Today I just want to talk about Steam Exchange and I want to give complete detail about Sin project and all the related link about Sin project will be getting in the video description so you can check them all one by one before it starts. A small disclaimer. This is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce you about most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project, and please make sure if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the channel. Hurmaz. So let's get started regarding Steam Exchange. Basically, if you look to, you can also indicate from the main name. This is a Steam Exchange, and this is simply an exchange. I just want to give some important points about this project. If you look to Steam Exchange, your one-stop shop for all the things crypto. Welcome to your new home. Steam Exchange is upcoming hybrid digital assist trading platform made in Canada for the world. Accumulations of learning, inventions of scalable digital assist solution. So basically, they just also wanna to work like KuCoin and Binance, and they made by Canada. If you look, you can see right over here, and if you look to the main feature on of this one project is Yahoo Finance and Canadian Insider, Street Insider and Stockhouse and CEO.ca. So basically this project have a more and more potential. That's why I'm recommending this one project. You must be participating in that because of if you look to BNB. First, if you first of all they don't have any account, means that they don't have any exchange in previous time, almost for 3 years ago. So basically, whenever they launch Binance, after that the price of the BNB will be get more and more spike. That's why I'm recommending this one project. If they are launch the main exchange, so in that time we can see more and more spike in this one project. So if you want to follow the social accounts of this one project, you must be followed that because you will never miss any type of updates, any type of latest notifications, any type of announcement about airdrops, giveaways, and as well as about rewards, because they just want to redistribute to the holders different type of rewards. So you must be follow them. All the related link you will be getting in the video description, so you don't worry about that. So you can see, if you look at the Steam Exchange vision, creating a safe space in the crypto ecosphere for a new and seasoned inventors alike. Steam Exchange is helping bridge the gap across multiple aspects of the investor journey, pioneering a physical location, trustless inventive features and functions, and immersive learning models. We are setting the gold standard when it comes to customer support and services. Accountability and transparency is the digital assist return or a seamless integration across multiple customer facing in infrastructures initiative or allow for all unparalleled trading experience all under one roof. Steam Exchange is your global one-stop solution. So basically, they didn't yet learn the main exchange, so that's why they just want to work on that. And detail about the Steam Exchange, there's some detail about the Steam Exchange. If you look to Steam Exchange is a being development in Canada by Canadian engineers working with the top Canadian universities. Steam Exchange is a global inventive with a Canadian core. Our platform is truly made in Canada. So basically, if you look, you can see right over here a strong tokenomics and smart contract. Basically, tokenomics is also too much important for us because of we directly understood that how can they redistribute the main supply to the holders, how can redistribute the main supply in the burning, how much percentage they take to the team. So that's why we also study about the main tokenomics. So you can see desired with investor and where version near in a mind. Steam Exchange token enables early adoption to our native coins on our very own blockchain with strong emphasis on growth and progress. Steam Exchange token in your tickets to unlocking access to tiers and function on a Steam Exchange. So this is simply some detail about that. If you click on that, you will be also get different type of important features, inventive functions, and as well as physical locations and blockchain coins. So you can also check out, and you can study more detail about this project. The stage 3 is a roadmap and phase 1 of phase 2 and of phase 3. Development of Steam Exchange proprietary function and features. If you look, landing page development completed. So basically they just want to complete this, and after that if you look to the Steam Exchange tokenomics engine development began. So basically this is began, but this is all are done because this is in 2021. That's why I'm not studying about it. I'm just looking for the upcoming projects. You can see education model development continue. So this is just on January 4th on 2020. This is also done by them, but they didn't extend the main roadmap. But if you look to this one project have a more and more potential. Then you will be, if you miss this one project, then you will be miss a massive earning project. So right here I just want to scroll down, and if you want to click on that, you will also check out the main overview of this more project in the video. But the core team has and always will believe that transparency is the key to success. With our open door policy period with constant availability, we will always put our ethics and honestly above all else. So constant update and announcement, constant marketing and advertising, and constant delivering of platform milestones. And this is a team who are working on this one project. You can also study about that. And if you look, they can also done partnership with CoinGecko, BSC Scan, PancakeSwap, and CoinMarketCap. This is the main tokenomics. If you I'll tell about that in this video. You can see Steam Exchange successfully migrate from V1 to V2, 4% to platform wallet, 3% to market wallet, 2% reflected to holders, 4% added to liquidity pool. And this is requested Telegram chat verification. If you want to contact with them, so you can simply enter your username on of your Telegram. So you simply click paste right over here, and after you simply click on the verify now, so you will be also chat with them easily, and you can also check out complete detail from their side. So this is all detail about Steam Exchange. I hope you like it. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Hurmaz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thanks a lot.